Beetroot is often ignored or pushed to the corner of the market, but did you know it can increase stamina, lower blood pressure, sharpen brain functions, cleanse your blood, and boost athletic performance, all at the same time? This is the drink elite athletes take before competition. It's the vegetable heart doctors quietly recommend, and scientists don't call it a superfood for nothing. They call it a natural nitric oxidant booster, something many expensive supplements try to imitate. Most people either eat beetroot the wrong way or avoid it completely, so they never unlock its true power. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why beetroot may be one of the most powerful natural medicines hiding in plain sight, and how to use it the right way. Beetroot is the root portion of the plant Beta vulgaris. It grows underground, absorbing minerals directly from the soil. One reason it's nutrient dense. Its deep red and purple color comes from natural plant compounds called betalains. These pigments are not just for color. They are powerful antioxidants known for fighting inflammation and protecting cells from damage. Beetroot is naturally rich in nitrates, support blood flow and circulation, fiber, improves digestion and gut health, folate, vitamin B9, essential for blood and brain health, iron, supports red blood cell production, potassium, helps control blood pressure and heart rhythm, vitamin C, boosts immunity and skin health. Powerful antioxidants protect against chronic disease. Together, these nutrients don't work alone. They work as a team, supporting almost every major system in the body, from the heart to the brain, muscles, blood, and even the skin. Number 1. Beetroot and blood pressure. Its most powerful benefit. Beetroot is most famous for one reason, and science strongly supports it. It naturally lowers pressure. Here's exactly how it works inside your body. Beetroot is rich in dietary nitrates. Once consumed, these nitrates are converted into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes and widens blood vessels. Wide blood vessels mean better blood flow and less pressure on the heart. When blood flows more easily, the heart doesn't have to work as hard. Multiple scientific studies show that drinking beetroot juice can reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure within just a few hours. Some effects can last up to 24 hours. This is extremely important because high blood pressure is often called the silent killer. It damages the body quietly without obvious symptoms. Regular beetroot consumption may help with managing high blood pressure, reducing strain on the heart, lowering the risk of heart attacks, reducing stroke risk, improving overall circulation. This is why beetroot is often described as one of the most heart-friendly vegetables on earth. 2. Beetroot boosts energy and stamina. Ever wondered why athletes, runners, cyclists, and even gym trainers swear by beetroot juice before workouts? The secret again comes back to the nitric oxide, but this time it's about muscle power and endurance, not just the heart. Here's what nitric oxide from beetroot does inside your body. It improves oxygen delivery to working muscles. It allows muscles to use oxygen more efficiently. It reduces how much energy muscles need to perform the same task. In simple terms, your muscles work smarter, not harder. Scientific research shows that beetroot consumption can increase exercise performance, improve endurance during long activities, delay the feeling of muscle fatigue, reduce muscle exhaustion during intense workouts. This means you can exercise longer, you recover faster, you feel less tired doing everyday physical tasks. That's why beetroot is often called nature's pre-workout drink. No chemicals, no stimulants, just natural energy from better blood flow. Even if you're not an athlete, beetroot can help with daily tiredness, physical weakness, low energy levels, age-related loss of stamina. 3. Beetroot supports brain health and memory. As we grow older, one silent change happens in the body. Blood flow to the brain slowly decreases. This can affect memory, focus, reaction time, mental sharpness. Beetroot helps fight this decline naturally. Nitric acid produced from beetroot improves blood flow to the brain, increases oxygen and nutrient delivery, supports healthy brain cell function. Certain areas of the brain, especially those linked to thinking, decision-making, and movement, benefit greatly from improved circulation. Scientific studies suggest that regular beetroot intake may improve focus and concentration, enhance reaction time, support learning and mental performance, reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline, help maintain memory and mental clarity. This makes beetroot especially helpful for students, busy professionals, older adults, anyone experiencing brain fog or mental fatigue. Simply put, a well-fed brain works better, and beetroot helps deliver that nourishment. 4. Beetroot is a powerful blood cleanser. For centuries, traditional medicine systems have described beetroot as a natural blood cleanser. Modern science now explains why. Beetroot supports the body's detox system by stimulating liver detoxification enzymes, helping the liver break down toxins more efficiently, supporting the removal of waste products from the bloodstream. But that's not all. Beetroot is also rich in iron and folate, two nutrients essential for red blood cell production, healthy oxygen transport in the body, preventing low blood levels. By improving blood quality and circulation, beetroot helps increase energy levels, reduce weakness and dizziness, improve immunity, and support healthy skin tone. This makes beetroot especially beneficial for people dealing with anemia, chronic fatigue, weak immune system, poor circulation, cold hands and feet. When your blood is clean and rich in oxygen, every cell in your body functions better. 5. Beetroot fights inflammation and oxidative stress. The deep red color of beetroot is more than just beautiful. It's powerful medicine. This color comes from natural plant compounds called betalains. These are strong antioxidants that help protect your body at a cellular level. Here's what betalains do inside the body. They neutralize free radicals and stable molecules that damage cells. They reduce inflammation, the root cause of many chronic illnesses. They help protect tissues and organs from long-term damage. Chronic inflammation may not cause pain immediately, but over time it plays a major role in serious health problems such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, arthritis and joint pain, certain types of cancer. Scientific research shows that beetroot antioxidants help calm inflammatory pathways, allowing the body to heal and repair itself more efficiently. When beetroot is eaten regularly, along with a balanced diet, it may help slow inflammation from the inside, keeping the body healthier for longer. 6. Beetroot improves digestion and gut health. Beetroot is naturally rich in dietary fiber, a key nutrient many people don't get enough of. Fiber plays an important role in digestion by feeding good gut bacteria, supporting smooth bowel movements, preventing constipation and bloating, keeping the digestive system active and balanced. A healthy gut does much more than digest food. Good gut health helps strengthen the immune system, improve nutrient absorption, support healthy hormone balance, reduce inflammation throughout the body. Beetroot fiber also helps maintain a healthy gut movement, which can positively affect mood, energy levels, and overall well-being. A healthy gut is the foundation of good health, and beetroot helps build it. 7. Beetroot supports healthy skin and anti-aging. If you want healthy, glowing skin, what you eat matters just as much as what you apply. Beetroot supports skin health from the inside thanks to its powerful antioxidants, vitamin C, blood circulation boosting compounds. These nutrients help fight free radicals that cause early aging, support collagen production for firm, elastic skin, improve blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to skin cells. Better circulation means your skin receives more nourishment, which may result in brighter, more radiant skin, reduced dullness and tired appearance, smoother skin texture, slower appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. By supporting detoxification and blood health, beetroot also helps the skin appear cleaner and more vibrant over time. Important warning: the beetroot mistake many people make. Beetroot is extremely powerful, but like many natural foods, more is not always better. Many people believe that if a little is good, then a lot more must be better. That's where the mistake happens. When beetroot is consumed in very large amounts, especially every single day, some people may experience side effects. Possible side effects include pink or red urine and stool. This condition is called beeturia. It looks alarming, but it is completely harmless and simply means your body is passing beet pigments. Digestive discomfort. Eating too much beetroot at once may cause bloating, gas or stomach upset, especially for people with sensitive digestion. Kidney stone risk in certain people. Beetroot contains oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stones in people who are already prone to them. This does not mean beetroot is bad. It simply means balance matters. The smart ways to use beetroot: to enjoy the benefits without the risks. Stick to a half to 1 medium beetroot per day. Rotate beetroot with other vegetables instead of eating it daily. Drink plenty of water to help your body process minerals properly. If you have a history of kidney stones, consume beetroot in moderation. Used correctly, Basically, beetroot remains safe, effective, and powerful. Best ways to consume beetroot. How you prepare beetroot makes a big difference in how well your body absorbs its nutrients. Here are the best and safest ways to consume it. Fresh beetroot juice. Drink in small amounts, preferably diluted or combined with other fruits or vegetables. Lightly boiled or steamed beetroot. Cooking softens beetroot, improves digestion, and reduces oxalate content while preserving nutrients. Grated raw beetroot in salads. Based in small quantities and combined with lemon, carrots, or leafy greens. Smoothies with lemon or ginger. This improves taste, digestion, and nutrient absorption. Adding vitamin C-rich foods such as lemon or orange helps your body absorb iron and antioxidants from beetroot more efficiently. So this is why beetroot deserves a place in your diet. Beetroot is just another vegetable. It is a natural performance booster, blood purifier, heart protector, and brain supporter all in one. It's affordable, easy to find, completely natural, and backed by science. When used correctly and in moderation, beetroot can quietly transform your health from the inside out, supporting your heart, brain, blood, digestion, skin, and energy levels. Sometimes the most powerful medicine isn't expensive or complicated. It's growing right beneath the soil. Thanks for watching, and see you on the other side.